If you want a voice changer like a Mandalorian, this is the way. This is one of the best setups that I found for a Mandalorian. That's cheap and easy. You can get this for around 25 bucks. It's an i9 voice changer. It's one of many in this style. They'll have similar options on there. I think the chipsets are the same because all the options seem to be the same, even if the appearance is different. Not all of them have all these features. So all we care about right now for the Mandalorian, the top part. So the DJ is nice, crisp, cut off. It's very clean and very Mando sound. To familiarize you with the setup, these options here at the top, the only thing you can add or remove is echo. All these other keys don't apply to the top, except for volume or mic. While it says echo, it's also reverb, because at the very lowest levels, it's reverb. But when you get more and more, it'll start to be more of an echo rather than just a reflection off of walls. It'll actually be a repeat. So let me turn this down. If you've not seen my Mandalorian helmet build with the built-in amp and repaint, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. So use these top ones. DJ seems to be the best. You stay right here. You stay. Don't move. Understand? So if you want to add a voice changer to your helmet, this is the way. Like, subscribe, take care. I'm out.